Queenless hive.
There's your hive beetles right there. That's why I like the square ones. The square frames.
Don't have a place to hide.
Yeah, there is no fucking.
Of course, these are man lakes.
Come on. Come on, ladies, go on there.
Shit, I was going to get that hive beetle, but it went right back in the box. So what we're doing, guys, is we're looking for queen cells. Doesn't look like much in that. Yeah, there ain't much in that frame.
Just a little bit of food.
Fall flow hadn't started yet. It's October the 20 something or other. Not October, shit. August.
Yeah, 20 something. Yeah.
It's like the 24th. Plenty of pollen. Got plenty of
Like
nothing.
one cup there. Can you see anything in it? Oh, I guess there's two. I didn't see that one.
Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one.
That ain't good. These girls don't look happy.
Yeah, they're stinging you to death, aren't they?
Well, just look at them. They don't look happy. Oh, I popped that one. That's the thing, I put a little pressure on and that propolis gives way all at once. I don't see anything on this side.
Don't see anything on this side either.
Alright, surely to God they had some open brood to work with.
Yeah, they had plenty of open brood. They had eggs when we pulled her.
Yeah, I had one, I swear they must have waited to the last possible second before they decided to make anything. That one there feels like it's stuck. That might be the hive beetle jail down here somewhere. I'm just getting dark here quick, I can't see shit. I may have actually just tore one about right dead center.
Nope, right there she is.
What do you mean, she?
Queen, right here. She's tearing that cell down. See her right there? Right there. See her? Well, she don't look too healthy though, does she?
I don't think it's been long enough for him to hatch a queen out. That's why I was saying that this one here, I thought for sure, just got tore open. So she may be dead. There may be a queen running around in here already then.
Well, that needs to go into 99 queens.
You'd be surprised. You put her in a hive, she'll come back to life in a couple days.
She's still moving.
Yeah, I mean, we probably just broke her out. That's assuming she's not been stung or killed or anything, you know. Might have to put her back in here.
Let's see what we got on this side.
You got it?
No, I don't have it.
I didn't see anything. I saw two cells and I broke both of them.
Yeah, but they both were already being torn down.
I
That's what I'm saying. I bet
they may have been attached to the other frame.
Yeah, but we didn't see the other piece. Let's see what we see.
I'm gonna go get a cage.
You go get a cage.
And fly her in it.
Sorry for the up closeness. I was tapping to see what was under there. So now we got to go back and look for another queen. Yell out if you see her.
She's moving her wings. She's still alive.
There's the first beetle.
Yeah, I bet we just broke the cocoons open. Intentionally, if you hadn't noticed that, she probably never would have made it.
I'm going to pause the video and we'll come back if we find the queen. And we're back, and there's the virgin. Thanks for watching Willie Bees. Like and subscribe and share the videos. As for Paul and me, have fun.